Musamseleko, all the times when he had Makhumalo, he can start discussing something, Makhumalo end up being angry. But when it comes to Mangwabe, Mayeni, and Macele, he is always making them happy. Even Mangwabe, Musamseleko knows that Mangwabe, she is always being rude and ignorant. But we saw Musamseleko on season 9 was saying positive things about Mangwabe because he was in fear to lose him. But when it comes to Makhumalo, Musamseleko doesn't have a fear to lose Makhumalo. Musamseleko wants Makhumalo to say we have to divorce. But it's very easy between the two of them because they didn't sign at court, or maybe after separating each other, they have to share the properties. That's why you saw Makhumalo, she wants to own her properties because they didn't sign anywhere with the Musamseleku like Macele and Mayeni. So Makhumalo, she have got an advantage if she saw that she is not comfortable with the Musamseleku, because guys, a man who truly loves you can't make you cry, can't make you angry. I saw Makhumalo's sister last time. She was complaining about Makhumalo. She came at her parents' home at 3 a.m. Makhumalo was crying about Musamseleku said to her, imagine your husband was making you cry every time. So Makhumalo, she is not okay than other wives. Musamseleku can say positive things to Mangwabe. That shows that he wants to fix their relationship with Mangwabe. But when it comes to Makhumalo, it doesn't show that he wants to fix their relationship with Makhumalo. He can say Makhumalo or always complaining that Makhumalo starts ignoring him. The reason why Makhumalo is behaving like that is Musamseleku's actions. That's why Makhumalo is reacting like that. So sometimes we don't blame Makhumalo. If she want to leave the marriage, Makhumalo have to leave. Don't care about what people are going to say, because Makhumalo, when they start their content on Utando Nestembo season 1, Makhumalo was married to Musamseleko. Understand? So maybe she have got a fear about what people are going to say, but it's not the end of life. Makhumalo, when she separates herself with Musamseleku than in a toxic marriage with him. But when it comes to other wives, guys, Musamseleku, even to Mayeni, he can try with his all means to fix their relationship. Even, guys, last time Musamseleku and Mayeni, they don't understand each other because it's not about Makhumalo only. Mayeni and Musamseleku, they have a misunderstanding. Mayeni said, Makhumalo, I'm Dulish now, what? You understand? Mayeni doesn't want to be on that meeting. Understand? But Musamseleko on season 9, we saw him. He tried to fix their relationship with Mayeni. Musamseleko about Makhumalo, he said some of the words on last episode of season 8. He said Makhumalo, she failed. And it trended on social media a lot. Musamseleku came and had a video and said, we are okay with Makhumalo. But Musamseleku repeat and say the same word behind the cameras. It shows that he is not in love with Makhumalo. So guys, a man who is not in love with you, he doesn't care that he is saying some of the words can hurt you. A man who is in love with you doesn't make you cry like Makhumalo. Makhumalo, guys, now especially season 9, guys, season 9 was not okay to Makhumalo because I saw Makhumalo, she was in tears, and Musamseleku doesn't care, and he say I will continue fighting with Makhumalo. You understand? Even the words he says on that table when he had meeting with his wives at Macele's new house, he says he can't do anything from Mpilo. Understand? He can't do anything from Mpilo because they don't understand each other with Makhumalo. How Makhumalo only for all other wives? You understand? He says their relationship with Mangwabe is okay. What about Makhumalo? When he fixed with Mangwabe they are okay. We know Mangwabe that she is being rude to Musamseleko. But Musamseleku doesn't want to lose Mangwabe. So it means that Makhumalo have to release herself. They don't sign anywhere or at any wedding, those people. After she can say, I can't to be with you anymore. Makhumalo is free.